Prepare for your Diploma Mechanical Interview 2026 with this important collection of Mechanical Core interview questions and answers. This video covers essential technical questions for Diploma Mechanical Engineering students, freshers, and job seekers preparing for mechanical engineering jobs. Learn common questions related to mechanical engineering fundamentals, machines, pumps, boilers, thermodynamics, maintenance, production, manufacturing, safety, and practical engineering concepts. We also discuss useful HR interview questions and self-introduction tips to help you answer confidently. Perfect for Diploma Mechanical Engineering students, freshers, mechanical technicians, maintenance engineers, production professionals, and job candidates preparing for interviews in 2026.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকুন। ভিডিও কোন প্রশ্নটি অংশ ভালো লেগেছে কমেন্ট করে জানান।